हेलो एस्पायरेंट्स, वेलकम अगेन टू पूनम दुआ क्लासेस। तो कैसी चल रही है तैयारी आप सभी लोगों की? प्लीज़ डू टेल मी थ्रू कमेंट्स अबाउट योर प्रिपरेशंस and related strategies. Let us cover some important topics in form of these 50 questions, and here is the part 4 of the video. 3 parts हम already cover कर चुके हैं, 30 questions, जिसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. And please do not forget to share and subscribe the channel. Next question number 31. Which of the following periods of English literature is also called Puritan interregnum? The correct answer is option D, the Commonwealth period. Puritan age is also called Commonwealth period because there was no king and Oliver Cromwell was running the country as I should say Lord Protector. Cromwell was against nepotism and a Puritan as well, and it was also called the Commonwealth period. Next question number 32. The unexpurgated text of Lady Chatterley's Lover was published after obscenity trial in which year? Unexpurgated means कि uncensored, जैसा लिखा गया था उसी तरीके से publish हुआ without any edit. Lady Chatterley is originally published in Italy in 1928. सबसे पहले 1928 में publish हुआ था, and it had been banned in UK on the grounds of obscenity. Though a limited, expurgated and heavily censored imported versions had been available, this was until 1960 that people could not read the unexpurgated text. It was the subject of high obscenity, and there was a trial which was cleared in the year 1960 and it got published. India में भी इस book को ban किया गया था, and one person, his name was Ranjit Udeshi, he was even prosecuted for selling the unexpurgated copy in 1964. Here comes the next question number 33. From which Greek word does the term comedy derive and what does it mean? The correct answer is option B, komoidia, revel song. The term comedy is derived from the Greek word komoidia, which means revel song, that is celebration song or happy song. So option B is the right answer. Next question number 34. Which one of the following is the right definition of peer review? आप लोग चारों ऑप्शंस को अच्छे से पढ़िए. रीच टू योर डिसीजन, रीच टू योर करेक्ट आंसर. पॉज करिए थोड़ी देर के लिए, एंड देन आई विल गिव यू द राइट आंसर. Let me tell you the answer. The correct answer is option B. Peer review means a pre-publication process in which work submitted for publication is evaluated for quality by experts in the field. Peer review एक तरीके का evaluation है of the work by one or more people with similar competencies as the producer of the work. इसी वजह से इसको peer बोला जाता है. It functions as a form of self-control or self-regulation, you can say, by some qualified members of the same profession and the relevant field itself. The correct answer option B. Next question number 35. Who is referred to as Beast in the quote, "Kill the beast, cut his throat, spill his blood" in William Golding's Lord of the Flies? आप लोग सभी ऑप्शंस को देखिए. ट्राई टू रिकॉल द स्टोरी ऑफ लॉर्ड ऑफ द फ्लाइज एंड यू विल रीच टू द right decision. I'm sure about that. Let me tell you the answer. The correct answer is option C, Simon. After killing yet another pig, the boys chant, "Kill the beast, cut his throat, spill his blood." They say it as the way of reacting for the murdering of the pig. एक तरीके की रिचुअल की वजह से वो लोग ऐसा कहते हैं. When Simon appears in front of them after they were performing this ritual, they see him not as a human being but as the beast, and they violently kill him as well. लॉर्ड ऑफ द फ्लाइज बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल नॉवल है. नॉवल बाय नोबेल प्राइज विनिंग ब्रिटिश ऑथर विलियम गोल्डिंग, जो कि 1954 में पब्लिश हुआ था. Here comes question number 36. Which of the following aptly names the language resulting from the contact of two mutually unintelligible language systems? The correct answer is option D, pidgin. A pidgin is grammatically simplified or very basic means of communication, makeshift means of communication that develops between two or more groups that do not have a common language. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Here comes the next question, question number 37. Which novel by J.G. Farrell describes the experiences of a polio victim? The correct answer is option C, The Lung. The Lung is a novel written by James Gordon Farrell और ये लिखी गई थी publish हुई थी 1965 में. In this novel, he drew upon his own affliction with polio, which he contracted at Oxford while he was presenting a portrait of an old man to who the man was confined to an iron lung. So this novel describes the experiences of a polio victim and the lung-related problems. Next question, question number 38. Which of the following poem by Thomas Hardy was originally titled by the Century's Deathbed? The correct answer, option C. The Darkling Thrush is one of Hardy's most anthologized poems. The word darkling means in the dark and has poetic associations with Keats or to the nightingale as well. The poetry was written on 31st December 1900 and was initially given the name, was called By the Century's Deathbed. Next question, question number 39. Who among the following explored the shifting and contested power relations, knowledge, and the human body? The correct answer is option D, Michel Foucault. Michel Foucault explored the shifting and contested power relations, knowledge, and human body. He was a French historian and philosopher, and his famous works are like Classical Age, The Birth of the Clinic, Discipline and Punish, one of the very famous work, and The History of Sexuality as well. Here comes the last question for this video. Rest of the 10 questions will be covered in next part. Question number 40. Match the critics and their works. So let us start matching one by one. Option A, Edward Said, is matched with Culture and Imperialism. Terry Eagleton's The Illusion of Postmodernism, जो कि 1996 की है. टेरी ईगल्टन के साथ हम उसको मैच करते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज फ्रांसिस मिलरन, इनको हम मैच करेंगे कंटेम्प्रेरी मार्क्सिस्ट क्रिटिसिज्म के साथ, जो कि 1992 में लिखा गया था. नेक्स्ट इज K.M. न्यूटन एंड वी विल मैच हिम विद थियरी इनटू प्रैक्टिस, ये भी 1992 का है. सो हेंस ऑप्शन नंबर A becomes the right answer. Edward Said is matched with 4, that is Culture and Imperialism. Option B, Terry Eagleton, is matched with 1, The Illusions of Postmodernism. Francis Miller matched with Contemporary Marxist Criticism, and K.M. Newton, Theory into Practice. Option 3. Hence option A is the right answer. So this is it for this part of the video. Please wait for the next part. Share and subscribe the channel. Give your valuable feedback in comments. Keep watching our channel. Thanks for watching and best of luck for your exams.